These are the A Post Footwell panels for the Austin Healey BN4, BN6, BN7, BT7 and BJ8. So it's the 106 models and the majority of the 3000 models, excluding the BJ8, which are different panels. So you get a pair of them. They're hardboard panels, as you can see. They're all cut on our CNC machine, so you have all the relevant holes and fixings, etc. on the cars. They're trimmed in a material. These have been trimmed in vinyl. We can also trim them in leather if you prefer. So you get a pair of them. This here is the right hand. It sits up in the car like that, so that being the front of the car, bottom of the car, top of the car. On the right hand panel, it's always had this hole cut out in it, which we also supply the vinyl for covering up the bodywork area, so that would sit underneath on the bodywork area and cover up the hole. The reason for that hole, it's a bit ridiculous really, but it's for right-hand drive cars, although it featured on the left-hand drive cars as well, purely so they didn't have to change the panel. It was basically there to give the drivers of right-hand drive cars a bit more extra toe room, wiggling around in there next to the throttle accelerator pedal. Bit ridiculous, but that's the way it was. So we always put those in there as original. Then the left-hand panel is fully intact like that, again trimmed all the way around. Now we deliberately leave a flap on this back edge here. That is to allow where the bodywork panels of the actual car meet the actual metal panels, they groove together like that effectively. This is used to bend round and tuck inside that lip basically, so that it gets a nice clean finish as it goes around the corner. Then the sort of draft excluder goes there as well. You may have to trim some of this back, where it might be a bit too much there, but it creates a nice neat finish, so that is done intentionally. So you get a pair of those per car set.